Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing something truly artistic, innovative, and unlike anything else on the road. The 2026 Kevin Cyr Tricycle Camper. Known for blending automotive design with art and lifestyle, Kevin Cyr has once again pushed boundaries, creating a camper that's compact, expressive, and built for pure freedom. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Kevin Cyr Tricycle Camper instantly grabs attention with its bold proportions and handcrafted feel. Inspired by vintage campers and custom trikes, it features a rounded camper pod mounted on a stable three-wheel platform. The exterior showcases smooth curves, custom paintwork, and retro-inspired details that make it feel more like a moving art piece than a traditional camper. Every angle reflects creativity, individuality, and purpose. Moving inside, the interior is surprisingly warm and thoughtfully designed. Despite its small footprint, the camper offers a cozy sleeping area, smart storage compartments, and a compact living setup that feels both functional and inviting. Natural wood textures, soft lighting, and handcrafted finishes create a cabin-like atmosphere that's perfect for slow travel and mindful adventures. This camper isn't about excess, it's about experience. Powering the 2026 Kevin Cyr Tricycle Camper is an efficient, lightweight drivetrain designed for smooth cruising and urban-friendly travel. Whether electric or hybrid-based, depending on configuration, it delivers quiet operation, easy handling, and excellent balance. The three-wheel setup provides stability, while keeping the vehicle compact enough to navigate tight streets, scenic routes, and unique camping spots that larger RVs simply can't reach. From a technology perspective, the camper keeps things simple yet smart. A clean digital display provides essential ride information, while integrated power management supports lighting, device charging, and optional solar assistance. Everything is designed to support independence without overcomplicating the journey. What truly sets this camper apart is its philosophy. The 2026 Kevin Cyr Tricycle Camper is built for creators, minimalists, and travelers who value design, storytelling, and freedom over size and speed. It's not about rushing to the destination. It's about enjoying every mile along the way. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel,